Yes, hello guys, this is my old Beats headphones and I have bought a new cushion from Wicked Cushions. Here you have them. And if you want to remove the old one, you take an ordinary butter knife. You just put it in here really carefully and you release the old cups like this. I have done this before. Here's my Beats headset, and you bring up the new ones. This is the old Beats headphone cushions, and you can see that they only have glued this one on, and the new one from Wicked Cushion is sewn. Here you can see the thicker also, you can see here. It's thicker, more padding. They are just glued on, so you can take the new Wicked Cushion padding and just put them on like this. Here you can see the difference, the new one and the old one. Really nice. Thank you, Wicked Cushion. Bye bye. Wicked Cushions.